Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Challa Ramesh. In this video, I want to explain one pre-regional mathematics Olympiad question. The question is, if sigma k is equals to 1 to n, 2k plus 1 whole by k square plus 1 whole square is equals to 0.9999, then determine the value of n. Now we will see the detailed solution for this question. First of all, consider the term 2k plus 1 whole divided by k square plus 1 whole square, which we can write in the denominator. When we take k is common, then we get 2k plus 1 whole by k square times k plus 1 whole square. Now I want to add one k square term and same subtract k square term for the numerator. We get k square plus 2k plus 1 minus k square whole divided by k square times k plus 1 whole square. Now you can observe here the numerator, first three terms together is k plus 1 the whole square. So we can again write this one as k plus 1 whole square minus k square whole divided by k square times k plus 1 whole square. As you observe here, when you split this into two further terms, in the first term k plus 1 whole square cancel, in the second term k square terms are cancel. So finally we got 1 by k square minus 1 by k plus 1 whole square. Now I am using this in solving the solution for the question. So now, given that sigma k is equals to 1 to n, 2k plus 1 whole by k square plus 1 whole square is equals to 0.9999. Now substitute the result we got in the previous step. Here we get sigma k is equals to 1 to n of 1 by k square minus 1 by k plus 1 whole square, which is equals to 0.9999. Here when you substitute k is equals to 1, we get the first term as 1 by 1 square minus 1 by 2 square, and k is equals to 2. When you substitute, we get the second term as 1 by 2 square minus 1 by 3 square, and when k is equals to 3, we get 1 by 3 square minus 1 by 4 square, and so on. When k is equals to n, we get 1 by n square minus 1 by n plus 1 whole square, which is equals to 0.9999. Here if you observe, minus 1 by 2 square and plus 1 by 2 square, these two terms are cancel, and similarly minus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 3 square are cancel, and so on. Minus 1 by 4 square term cancel with the next term, and so on. Here previous we get minus 1 by n square, and this will cancel with plus 1 by n square furtherly. So basically this method of solving is known as telescopic method, and here we get the first and the last terms after simplifying. So that is 1 by 1 square minus 1 by n plus 1 whole square, which is equals to 0.9999. As you observe, the first term 1 by 1 square, which is 1, so minus 1 by n plus 1 whole square, which is equals to 0.9999. When you interchange the terms and further simplification, we get 1 minus 0.9999 is equals to 1 whole by n plus 1 whole square. Here if you observe 1 minus 0.9999, so which is equals to 0.0001, and that equals to 1 by 10,000, and which is equals to 1 by 100 square. So basically this value is 1 by n plus 1 whole the square. Here when you compare the denominators and all, we get n plus 1 is equals to 100. Now n is equals to 100 minus 1, which is 99. So this is the final answer, that is n is equals to 99. Hope you understand this question, all of you.